The design, visualization and presentation of complex products have always posed challenges for companies. Historically, prototypes were used to help project stakeholders visualize new product designs and also to test if a design worked as intended before committing it to full-scale production. Although expensive, prototyping worked for small, mass-produced products. It was problematic and impractical when dealing with large-scale products, such as machinery layouts comprising tons of equipment. Other alternatives, such as mocked-up images and videos, offered some limited benefit for visualization, but were of little use for testing. Virtual reality, or VR for short, offers a modern solution to many of these challenges. With the new M4 Virtual Review VR Viewer, you can also use VR in your sales, marketing, and presentation of products. The easy-to-use VR Viewer allows you to load several CAD models into a realistic VR environment, where they can be immersively viewed in detail at their full size using VR glasses. Individual parts can also be hidden or removed, and Flight Mode enables you to quickly inspect an entire design. The scaling of individual parts allows additional insights into all aspects of the design. Contact us now to try M4 Virtual Review for yourself. M4 Virtual Review offers you a quick entry to virtual reality. This advanced VR viewer offers invaluable advantages. For example, machinery, building, plant, and factory designs can be inspected in detail by engineering and service personnel prior to construction, enabling you to detect and address design issues that would otherwise only have been noticed during the construction or maintenance. This avoids expensive delays and modifications at the construction site. Your customers will also gain a better understanding of your products if they can experience them in VR in advance. With VR, you can easily take all your products with you to your customer site and present them in a completely new and impressive way to create a lasting impression. Why not contact us today? We will be happy to answer any questions you may have and provide product presentations and quotations to suit your individual requirements. We look forward to hearing from you.